everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're headed to Cozy Corner to meet up with some friends for a little pre-meet. They're all just hanging out in the lot. I'm rolling out with my brother right now in his Supra. He's a little behind me. And we're just gonna go meet up with some friends and hang out. I'm meeting up with a couple Z people there, and I'm pretty sure Tony's gonna have his GTR and his awesome R8, so that's gonna be my first time seeing those, and his first time seeing our cars, so it should be a fun little night. We're just gonna take it as it goes. Okay, maybe everyone's at Strats. I mean, I know people are at Strats, but what's up, player? Sorry, it's empty here.
Fucking empty as fuck.
What happened? It's alright. These places used to be full. You guys remember that?
Yeah, a bunch of people just left, man. It was
okay. That's okay. Tony didn't make it yet, did he?
No, he didn't. Yeah, he didn't come here yet.
Alright, bet. We'll see him in a minute. Hey, Patrick made it out. What up, bro? Dude, they said a fat group was here and left, but like honestly, we still have people coming here for now. But everyone's at Cozy, or sorry, you know, Strat still, so we'll be chilling. Dude, what's your exhaust? It sounds so good. Ah, okay. Not resonated, right? That's badass, bro. Damn. Park it up next to me real quick.
9:30.
Hey, finally. Yeah, bro. Long time no see. I miss you, man. It's been a little bit. That's true.
Different car now.
For real.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, so, okay, you gotta update me a little bit. So, what clutch do you have? Because that's the only thing that's holding me back right now.
Motorsports.
You like it?
Flywheel.
Okay.
And then that like stage 2 clutch, like the middle one.
Okay.
Not the 6-buck, but the other one. I love it for NA.
Okay, cool, because I'm down.
I'm gonna boost it though, so I'm gonna upgrade that clutch itself to a 6-buck.
That's fair. But it grabs.
This will grab for a while with boost, but I feel like it's gonna slip. But right now, man, it's been grabbing.
Can I feel it with my, like, not drive it right there? Yeah, cool, I'm down. Okay. Oh, it's heavy, dude. Dude, it's heavy, I'm not gonna lie.
But like,
oh, then again, you sit way farther back than me.
You can put it in the seat though.
Oh yeah, it's like right there. It's like yeah, you're like a third of the way up, not even. It's like right there. Yeah, it's pretty good. Dude, I bet it snaps though when you're shifting.
It does. It snaps hard.
Oh, you got a nice. Oh yeah, bro.
Shift that bitch.
Do you? You don't even lift?
No,
dude, you're crazy. 63K? Okay, I'm at 43.
I bought this thing with 3,000 miles, man.
Wow, and I like this carbon. That's raw as fuck, dude. Dude, 2 times now I've got my appointment canceled to get my backup camera, my radio, and all that stuff because
I don't have the
mishaps.
on it.
I got this in here now. So I haven't put it in yet, but like I had this reupholstered for my car to get my sub and my amp and all that. Too? Yeah, I have my same one from before, the Pioneer one, and then my backup camera will get put on here. I'll be ready to go. My radar, I'm like empty in here. It's completely stock, just a muffler delete. Dude, he's just got the regular Z1 intakes, bro. What a simple, effective setup, bro. They go up and in there, I bet. Can't really see it. Damn. Get a roll.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Damn. I'm gonna get gap. Intakes, exhaust, tune, nice clutch, stock ass. Alright, we're headed to Strats. Gonna get a quick run in with bolt-ons tune 370z and my brother again real quick, and we'll see what's going on. Oh, you gotta say that again. What'd you just say to me?
I gotta switch to my left shift.
As if you're not gonna get me, I'm stuck, bro.
I need this shit.
be here. Where are we parking? Oh, they're taking that spot. Go for it, bro. Damn, that Porsche though. Just got done filling up some gas real quick. We're gonna head back to Strats. We failed parking this time, but hopefully we can get in there this time and hang out. Let's try this again. Hey, that's a success. We parked up. Let's go chill and hang out with the boys. That thing's clean. Dude, throw back to the meats. Remember these, dude? We got a Supra next to that. We're gonna check all this out, don't worry. Yeah, I like this. It's dope.
But we're trying to get her 260 now.
Dude, we gotta look at that. That wrap, you can tell it's already got all the rainbow shit on it. That's crazy. Damn.
On bags.
Yeah, let me get the camera, the light extra. I'm being disrespectful. I hope it comes up on camera, but it's so rainbowy, dude. That's sick. I love these things. Just gonna leave those on, subtle flex. Yeah, I dig Evo 9s for. Oh shit! You need to follow me with the light. Oh my goodness.
So missing the sides and then a couple of other
Dude, this
pieces.
GoPro's not gonna do it. I'm gonna help with my light, guys. Look at that. I didn't know he was gonna do that. Holy shit. We got 3 iPhones going. Thanks, guys.
But we'll have more
Holy
down the sides too.
Look at that. Damn, can you fit any skid in your tires on there, dude? That's crazy. Oh my god, look at the hood, dude. Wow.
He has a Supra.
That is something else. Is this the only one out here for today?
Yeah. Sorry.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, the design fee was actually, in my opinion, for the amount of time I feel like he probably put
did a
into
good
it
job.
from like the different, because there was a bunch of different ideas. You know, you come up with a bunch of ideas in your head and then you like throw them all at this guy and he's got to come up with something that might work. Because sometimes he makes it, sometimes he doesn't. So.
Long time no see, by the way. Where's your car, bro?
But yeah,
I
it's
parked in the next lot.
Oh, okay, okay. Ooh, my bad. I almost hit you.
Which is
What? Who did that? Oh wait, no, with the light. Oh my god, it looked like it was on fire.
Dude, seriously,
What,
bro.
dude? You guys.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
like, so they printed it.
I bet you under the gas station lights, it's crazy.
You know, that's not see-through, and then this, like, they printed
Wow.
still like the design on the see-through film, so that you can still see the pieces that I have carbon fiber.
Oh, so
You
that's
see
not
kind of-
actually wrapped. Or that's not the
It-
carbon fiber is actually carbon fiber.
The carbon fiber is underneath it, yeah.
I
But
just
you can
wanted
kind of
to
see
see
it.
it.
Just one time. That's all I'm asking. Just one time. I gotta see what it's like. We'll get that on camera. Don't worry. Yo, bro. You remember me? No way. Dude, my Z's total. Yeah, you know. Hell yeah. Dude, that thing's badass. If you park up, we'll chill. Take it easy, man. Wow, man. Look at this one, too. Yo, bro. This thing's badass. Hell yeah. Wow, guys. Look at that. Marcus, hold on, bud. Can't leave me like that. Take it easy, bro. Oh, take it easy. Ayo. What up, what up, what up?
Where should I park?
Wherever you can fit, honestly. Just come back around. We're just chilling. They're nice. My diet has been made. Man's old XRP like me. That's the one. That's how you get dope cars. Crypto's the future, guys. You just gotta pick your projects that you like. Running 8s with the Supra.
What does that feel like?
That's crazy, dude. Got all these bikes rolling out here. What a chill night. What up, Mathis? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Not bad, bro. Nice Z. Fat Wang. Yo, bro, clean Z. I like this thing, bro. I got a Nismo right there. That thing's badass. That's dope. Nice color. We got a wide body FRS just parked up over here. S2K. Another S2K. Oh yeah, boy. Nice car, my man. Hell yeah. Holy. Look at his drift car, guys. Little exclusive look. Holy cow. Holy. That's sick. I don't think I've ever seen one this clean.
Look at his Instagram name.
Lil Drip.
Lil Drip. I'm like, bro, you sound like a rapper.
Dude, his son's 12 years old drifting this thing. That's crazy. Chris is savage, bro. Can you open the door?
Yeah, but
Ah, come on. It looks cool in there. It's cool. No way.
Still cooling down?
Hold up, hold up.
I left the fan on.
Go ahead. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to back into you. Yeah, I just wanted to see that kind of stuff. That's sick. What? Go ahead, Mike.
Just the smell that's radiating from over here. It just smells like the age of the car.
Tag me. That's the one.
Smelled it, you can actually.
Yeah, hey, go like this on right here and it just shake and you can smell the fucking rubber that falls off of it. That's all from that drift event last week.
Check this thing out. Nardo Gray Kia Stinger. It looks wrapped up, but I don't know if it is just because I can't tell with all the black accents. But I like it a lot. Or I think it's a Stinger. It looks cool nonetheless though. Damn, look at the Lexus, bro. Hold up, hold up. I missed him in the parking lot earlier. Look at that, all the carbon, bro. Nice car, man. Yeah, that thing's sick. Wow, Mo, you look great. There you go. Thanks. Damn. Thanks for the light, Tony. You're the man.
When I got my
Still looks pretty
overflow,
sick.
my overflow bottle.
Oh, nice.
How much horsepower is this thing?
It pushed 347 to the wheels.
Okay.
That's
So
plenty.
exactly what you need.
Yeah, plenty. Nice. Oh yeah, yeah. It's not gonna be cold and stuff. The camera's not gonna get that.
Ow! Oh, that hurt my ear.
They're just gonna go rip it. That is so sick. Everyone's parked up here. We're all the way back there. Oh, and I can kind of see the texture a little better. That's crazy. We weren't just sliding. Do it. Nice, bro. torque for pretty stock. Bolt-ons Z. We got a bolt-ons Alfa, stock Supra. I don't know what's done that at SRT, but that was badass. All right, I'm gonna close out the video here. You guys, that was so fun. I love taking it day by day like that. Just take the night as it comes. Love hanging out with awesome friends like that and having a fun, safe night. Really excited to get home and edit this one for you guys. Be sure to check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Snapchat. It's all in the description below. Hodl strong, everybody, and I'll catch you all in the next video.